Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired August 11th, 2025. The topic of that show was Transferring Allegiance from Shadow to Light. Swami, your thoughts?
So to the flesh is death. So to the spirit is eternal life. It's not magic, but it is physics. Like attracts like. What are you? Matter, mind, or spirit? Born of woman, born of man, or born of spirit?
Looking to transfer allegiance? Well, listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriya Yoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnasya